As it's an office-friendly system, it doesn't outgas, so the materials we use, whether that's ASA, nylon CF10, Duran, TPU and many others that we have available on this machine, you can be sure that in the office environment you're using it, you're not going to get the smell of the chemicals coming out of the machine. So basically it adheres to or is compliant with the local standards for airworthiness within an office space. So this machine is actually on. The temperature inside the oven is well over 100 degrees and it's perfectly safe to touch all surfaces on the machine. Because it's not printing, it allows me to open the door, and even with that temperature inside, it's still safe on the inside because of the insulation. You can see how thick the door is here. That stops the heat from coming to the outside surfaces. We also have a very thick seal around the door here to make sure that we keep that heat and maintain the temperature control inside the machine as well as. Here you can see part of the interlock system, which is also built into the door. It's a very thick, robust one, so you literally can't pull that door open. There's no way of getting it open until the job is finished and the machine says it's safe to do so.